How you doing, motherfucker? What's up, nigga? I got grill. Ha ha. So, hi there. And, you know, I'm Tyler. So what's up? Dudettes, what the fuck? Dudes and dudes? What? Dudes and dudes, whoa. So, fucker. Yeah, I'm gonna tell you guys the story behind this tooth right here. This one right here. That one. Right there. That one. Right there. That one. Okay, so yeah, it was like second grade, I think. We just got back from lunch. And we were on like our recess thing. And it was raining outside, so we couldn't do recess outside. And, like, you know how they have, like, the tennis balls on the bottoms of shoes to prevent scratches? Or, yeah, the bottoms of shoes. The bottoms of chairs to prevent, like, scratches and shit. Well, one of those was, like, off the chair, and it was, like, laying in the middle of the floor. And, like, I was chasing my friend through the room, and I stepped on the ball. I stepped on the tennis ball, and, like, slipped, and, like, smashed my face off the back counter. And, like, that's how that happened. Like, I completely, like... like, ruined that tooth. Just by doing that. Grr. Nah. Anyway. Self-fellatio. We had a conversation about this on the bus on the way home from school Wednesday. Fucking... My friend was like, dude, you know what I want to do before I die? What? I want to suck my own dick. What? What the fuck? Yeah, dude, just think about it. I would never, ever need a fucking girlfriend. I could just suck my own dick. It'd be like the most amazing thing ever. Like, I'd be like Marilyn Manson. And I just looked at him with this fucking retarded look, like... What? Like, that's actually my confused face, believe it or not. But it just does not make sense to me. Oh no, I need my lemon pledge. Speaking of things like lemon pledge, I'm gonna put my fucking grill back in, nigga. What's up, nigga? Yeah, bitch, come with 2 chains. Eat your girl with my necklace, call it food chain. I'm a wild boy, been that way for a while, boy. All I kill is beast and pussy, still ain't went on trial, boy. Shy, my money gone, I ain't going. Chop clean but piss turd, chop clean like piss detergent. Cold brown but yeah, fuck it. Yeah, bitch, I'm a wild boy. Yeah, bitch, call me Steve O. I'm a wild boy, fuck I ate my need O's. Yeah, bitch, call me Steve O. Anyway, my name's Forrest Gump. Forrest Gump. They call me retarded around these parts. But I resent the statement previously made because I don't think I'm retarded. I just think that I'm special. I just don't think that I can do things the right way and that people can do, people do things differently like my mama, since she's handicapped, she's in a wheelchair, but she still gets around because, you know, there's still some things that she needs to do and still a man that she needs to see. I don't know what she sees this man for, but she says it make her feel real good. You know, they make her feel loved and they make her feel happy. I just don't understand why mama always has to do this to me. Um, you know, I love my mama very much, but I love Bubba more. Anyway, anyway, how's my grill look, baby? My name's Waka Flocka Flame. Big spot! Uh-oh, here come that bullshit. Beat the nigga ass till the DJ stop the music. They say they want that wild shit. Mosh pit, jump up in the crowd, bitch. On some motherfucking violin. I am, if you guys didn't notice yet, this is just aluminum foil. But yeah. Follow me out on the planet and rent the game. That's kind of digging the man. We never know policy, big month, panic, a little man, because I gotta be friendly, come to jump because I'm not. Governor truck, I'm gumming the mama, knocking, I can pop to pop, kind of fuck, give me the top for hip hop, and watch it, make a Michael so top for sucking pop enough to worldwide choppers. I'm that guy from James Bond. The fucking weird guy with the iron teeth. Ah. Let me get your pusher hair caught in my grill. What are you doing? What are you doing, Mr. Chair? Oh! I don't trust you. Chair mode activate. Boop. Anyway, yeah, that was just my random video about how I lost that teeth. And other random shit. If you would like to learn more about me, you could always just like and subscribe, or you can hit me up on Twitter. That is at Husky Flows.
Life is pain. Life is only pain. We're all taught to believe in happy fairy tale endings, but there's only blackness, dark, depressing loneliness that eats at your soul.
At Husky Flows. My Facebook is just look up Pirate. What the fuck? Just look up Tyler George, and you'll be all good.
My dad is such an ass, drunken bastard, doesn't even know I exist. But then he won't let me go to the Skinny Puppy concert because my heroin addict aunt is coming over for dinner. Dinner? That's a laugh. Just an excuse for my mom to bitch at me for not wearing girly clothes like all the other Britney Spears wannabes at this school.
Anyway, fuck you niggas. I'm out of here. Peace, dog.